Good morning everyone at the VLOGMAS. I'm here this morning. Thank God I'm here still. I was able to wake up this morning. Yeah, well now today I'm just gonna I have a few things to do today. I dropped my son at school already. Today is his day off. He's sleeping, so we're gonna finally set up the Christmas tree today and probably have some lights outside. Yes, so put some light outside. So yeah, those things are gonna. And today, because my husband wants to go see the Justice League at the movies for forever, we decided to make it a date day. It's not like a date night, a date day while our son is at school. So we'll just take that probably 3 hours in between and go see it. So probably about after 1. Yeah, but yeah, otherwise than that, my day. How you all doing? Also, if you have not subscribed, please do so if you want, right? And like as well. And if you also want, you can hit the subscribe the notification bell button, so you know whenever I upload a new video. So far this Vlogmas, it's going good. It's going good. I love Christmas. Like a lot of you guys out there, I love Christmas so much. It's just joyful. I love hearing the Christmas songs and everything like that. So yeah, here chilling for a bit. I have to go freshen up, wash my face, do my face. I think I would do a video about my skincare routine. Yeah. The skincare routine. Yeah, my skin is pretty good. I haven't had trouble since teenager about my skin, like any pimples or any bumps or anything like that. Yeah. I don't have them a lot. Probably have like a big one come up here or a big one come up there. Like here. I think there's a spot. It was right here. Yeah, that's about it. But yeah, otherwise than that, yes. Alright, see you later. Okay. Hi everyone, so we're on our way to the movies. Obi's driving. Say hi now, say hi to people.
Hello. Hi. How are you?
The lighting is terrible on your side though, bro.
Yeah.
Because the sunlight. From there, they may have vlog into the car. The lighting terrible, man. Yeah. I don't know why you come over here. So.
No, me just exit right here, man. Don't know why I come right here.
Does it make sense? Oh. Oh, what's the movie we're gonna watch?
JL.
What is JL? Not everybody know the abbreviation what people put on it.
Justice League.
Justice League. So that is movie. So the next time we're going to movie, why you not go over this and go in? Oh, jeez. Poor thing. Yeah.
You were saying?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So that's your movie. The Justice League is your movie. So the next time we're going to watch a movie, it's gonna be mine. Probably not the mom's night out, because it dropped. The mom's night out. The mom's night out was boring. So hopefully
Probably not the mom's night out.
we're going to watch next, like for my movie choice. I'm gonna choose a movie for my choice. This is your movie.
Yeah, but you don't have any movie.
But there's movie going to come out.
Every movie that is coming out is
like
either from Marvel or DC. So they are like
those movies are where you notice where Marvel from DC, because if it's any movie like that, you're going to notice them. So the unnoticeable movies that come out are mostly my movies. So
like what, Mom's Night Out 2?
No,
there isn't a Mom's Night Out 2.
Good thing, because it wasn't funny. The what the one where Queen Latifah did come into that one? The one we watched the other day, man?
Girls something.
Girls Weekend or something like that?
Probably.
That one was a good one. I mean, no, so there's the part 2 coming. Right? You know which part 2? Oh crap, light on my face, bro. You know which part 2 then we make after? The one with Kevin Hart into it.
there's a lot of movie with Kevin Hart.
No man, but you know which one me talk, man.
The one when I don't know.
You know which one.
The one when he's married.
No man, when you're not married yet. They never get married yet, but they move in together and then they move out. And then they have the rock, paper, scissors into it.
Oh. Yeah. I don't remember what I want to name.
Yeah, but that's the one that I want to see. Yeah, okay guys, so we're going in now because I think we're late. At 1:15 it for start, right? And normally them have like a few ads played at the intro. So we're just gonna head in now to go catch whatever we started at. Bye.
See you inside.
Okay guys, so we are at the entrance. We went to go get napkins because he got popcorn. So yeah, it didn't start yet. It's just the intro. So we thought we were late, but it's just like some trailers going on. We got some snacks. I'm probably a little bit dark. Trying to stay under the light here. Got some snacks here and a drink and popcorn. Yeah, it's gonna be probably about 2.5 hours long, maybe more. Who knows? Yeah, so we're excited to see it. Oh yeah, especially him is very excited to see it. Yeah, so yeah, it's probably taking a while, anyways. I'm gonna stay here and wait for him until he comes. Yep, that's it right there.
Would you look at that? It seems that quick.
Locos died.
Hi guys, so it's a little bit late now, but we're gonna put up our Christmas tree right now. My husband isn't feeling too well, his foot is hurting him, so we're just gonna put it up and then we'll just probably put the lights on tomorrow. But my son is very excited to do so, so we're just gonna get started. Say hi, Leo.
Hi.
Say hi. Where are you?
Ducks.
What's that, your tree? Your Christmas tree?
Ducks.
everyone. So I didn't finish the Christmas tree, and probably you're gonna see in the video also that I did not finish it. It's because it seems like all of a sudden my Christmas tree light decide not to work. So I have to get more extension. I have to get more extension cord, and then I'll try it again before I literally say the lights on it not working. And I did put on a few lights last year, and I really like those lights. Right, but yeah, I'll try that again. So tomorrow I'll go on the road. I was going to go on the road anyways to get some decorations and stuff outside. So I will buy extra extensions tomorrow anyways. Yeah, but yeah, I'm just signing out now for Vlogmas day 4. I'm doing pretty good so far. And if you have not liked or subscribed, please do so if you would like. And also hit the notification bell. I'll put it over here, so I'll put it over here. So yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. I love you. Tomorrow. Yeah, can I get tired though? Yeah, so yeah. And please do, if you request any video for me to do, please link it in below. Also, for all my PCOS fans, I'll be also doing a few more videos requested from my friends and family that I do, because PCOS, it's being broadcast a lot more now. A lot of people know about PCOS a lot more, and a lot of people find that a few people find that they have PCOS, and they need a few information even from the people that are close to them, or not even, right? So I will be putting out a few more videos like on my lifestyle with PCOS, and how I know I had PCOS, stuff like that, PCOS related. So please look out for those videos. And yes, if you do you have any ideas of any videos you would like to see me do, link them below. Me and my husband probably we do have a few videos to do, because he's also maintaining his channel as well, his gaming channel, so that's taking up a lot of his time. So that's one of the reasons why you may not see him into my vlogs that much. You probably just see me and my son most of the time. If he's not at work, he's at home either editing or making videos for his channel. But I'm gonna try to steal him to come over to mine a lot more, especially for this Christmas. Alright, so okay guys, I'm out until you see me again later. Bye.